Welcome back. We're gonna figure out where this part 3 light is coming from. If Kiddo here can...
Climb, rubber boy.
No, yo.
Oh, I don't remember this part.
Oh. I thought you were gonna be like, oh, don't do that. And I'm like, oh, what?
No, I have never
Do
remembered this
I
diddly
Yeah.
do.
Okay. Alright, okay, alright.
Oh, I do
okay.
remember this. Oh my god.
What? Oh.
Well,
Do
I
I...
think Matt screwed you up.
Matt,
yeah.
did you screw me up?
So I gave you a hint.
Totally
I
threw
gave
you
you a
off.
hint for the last puzzle that I need you to reverse.
You suck, Matt. You were
Wait,
worst
well, now I
ever.
can't remember what the last puzzle was.
That's a hint for the ages. Remember what I told you in that last puzzle? No.
Yeah, don't do
Don't do that.
You're so bad at this.
I can't
You
remember.
guys should only play games that you've both not seen before.
I know. We're gonna have to. Yeah, we'll have to think about that.
Why didn't you do Firewatch?
We should. We need to play Firewatch.
We
That'd
will.
be a really good
Well,
game.
how about that? That's the next
That's
one.
the next one.
Is this an irreversible problem?
No, it's not irreversible. This game's really good about resetting you, if you.
Do I?
Fuck
Does
up.
this
You
have to
just
do
kill
with
yourself.
water?
Yes,
Okay.
but you need that crate.
Okay. I
It'll become
need the
obvious.
crate. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Oh, okay.
Somebody.
That's just
figured
so
it
weird.
out.
They're just gonna put it all the way over here.
Yeah.
They gotta
That's
make
the
you work.
only thing that door is for is this freaking box. Like, there's nothing else you could have found that floats. Nothing.
Floats? What are you
Yeah,
talking
spoiler
about?
alert.
What are you talking about? What do you mean floats? What's going on here?
She already figured it out.
I figured it out.
She didn't even put it out there. She didn't figure
Shh.
She did. She figured it out.
Allie.
it out. You didn't figure it out.
I didn't?
What?
She's
Are
gonna
you
get
fucking
you.
with me? Did I not figure it out?
I can hold the remote
Just
while you
do
go
the damn
while you
thing.
two
Just-
fight.
just
Alright,
play the game.
alright.
Fisticuffs over here.
I'll fight, Allie. I'll fight a pregnant lady. I'll be gentle, though. No rough punches.
The gentle.
Allie, this is what I was supposed to do.
She did figure it out.
Why are you fucking with me, Allie? I'm sensitive. I'm fragile. I'm really gullible.
Fight me. I'll fight you with words.
I'm busy, Allie. I'm busy playing inside. I'll fight you later. I'm really absorbed in this visual storytelling. No, it's too late. I'm gonna die. Wait. Oh,
You're really
Fuck.
absorbed in that
I get it.
machine. I was waiting for that joke. You took too long to die.
I'm sorry. No joke for you. I did that so you couldn't have a joke. Look at all those people. Those poor people. Fuck! I didn't realize he was gonna move.
Shadows, man.
I know. How do they work? Okay,
Light.
take
It's a
3. Let's do
mystery.
this.
Oh yeah, there are just carts of people
Yeah.
being like
Like
trucked
cattle.
like
Okay.
like cattle.
I'm not gonna fuck up this time. I'm probably gonna fuck up this time. Yeah.
Oh.
Ah, darn it.
It always gets your foot. It's really, really,
It just
really
wants.
good at getting
just
your
likes feet. It's got a thing for feet. What can I say?
foot. Wally's
Wally has a.
mean older cousin with a foot fetish.
Mm-hmm. Just grab it.
It's too late.
So
Get back.
many Of these puzzles
Oh.
wouldn't work
Woo.
if it was not linear.
I know, but it just makes the inability to go in any other direction that much more frustrating.
You gotta get back. I think you're gonna have to take at least 2 more turns. I don't think.
I bet I can do it in one.
I don't think so. I think you're gonna.
Alright.
You're gonna
Well,
try
let's
and do it in
see.
one, and you have to start it all over again.
Alright, you're right.
I mean, I guess you could jump that.
Nah, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm a coward. I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah. But you're a live coward.
I am. This is what's keeping me alive. My cowardice. Okay, do the thing. Go, 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 go.
You can definitely make it this time.
Hi, friends. Oh. I thought there was a wall there. Are you guys coming? No. Well, good so far. Wait, so where's the shadow over here? I might have to die once to figure out where the shadow is. That's haired.
You got this.
That's haired.
They do such a good job. That's.
Do I need anything over here?
I need a stress ball.
I feel like you're more stressed than me. I think I'm just too focused to be stressed.
Whoa.
Can I get back up or no? Nah, ain't happening. Okay. Nah. Nah. Getting down here. Spooky. Don't fall now. What happened to this world? Who did this? Don't die when you fall. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Come on, rubber boy. Good boy. I cannot figure out what he will and won't die from. He's proven he's very unpredictable. What? Wow, it's a shame I can't go over there and investigate. Oh, there's dogs.
Still want to go over and investigate?
Nope. I'm good. Jump. Do I need anything underwater? I doubt it, but I'm gonna look anyway. Nah, I don't. Dude, me too. Ah, dogs can't swim. Fuck. Ah, dogs can swim! Dogs can swim! Oh, mother! But can you go underwater? No, you can't because you're stupid. Oh, thank God. I thought I could go underwater. Ooh.
You better book it.
My cheeks are hot.
You better get going.
I am.
You and your hot cheeks better be moving.
I am. I'm running.
You got that faster than anyone I've ever seen.
Oh my God. What? Holy shit.
Fuck off, dogs, please. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. No.
Get back on the bed!
Go run!
I'm so stressed out. That was so more stressful than I wanted it to be.
You got that trick with the dog in the water, like,
Ooh.
without even...
Ooh.
I just can't...
Nope, you're dead.
Get under there, no! Fuck. I thought I could do it.
You got that board though.
But this is gonna take forever then.
Well, I mean, yeah, you don't get all the boards, right?
Yeah, I mean, I need to get enough, but I can't get enough in the first go. God, these dogs. Oh, jeez. Cheese and crackers.
Grizzly.
Okay.
What do you think those dogs' names are?
I don't care. I don't care, dude. Jump. Come on. Alright, I need to stay over long enough for these dumb fuckos to...
What are the names of the, what's the name of the, like, I think it was a Rottweiler from All Dogs Go to Heaven.
I don't know.
Charlie?
But it's time to go. Time to go. Oh, you didn't get it.
Charlie?
No, Charlie is the main
dog,
character.
right?
Oh.
And he's a German Shepherd.
Yeah, no, I
think the Doberman is the fat dog? Is he the bad guy?
I'm thinking it's a Doberman, you're right.
Was he fat? Do you remember?
And is it all dogs go to heaven or is it?
Answer
all
my question. Was he fat or not?
No.
There was
Okay, then I don't
something fat in
remember.
that.
Are you thinking of Oliver and Company?
That's what I just said.
Yeah, you're thinking of Oliver and
All right,
I
now
love
don't
it.
hop over until they're on the
I
fence
know
again.
Oliver and Company better. That's probably why.
Is that also Don Bluth? Oliver and Company.
Oliver and
Disney,
Company
right?
was Disney, and All Dogs Go to Heaven was Don Bluth.
Oh yeah.
Well, but Don Bluth worked at Disney before he moved over.
Roscoe and DeSoto.
Yeah, that's right. Roscoe. I remember how they said
I'm
it
gonna
in
look
the
this up
movie.
because I think that Oliver and Company was Don Bluth.
No, it's
No, it was
I
Disney.
know Don Bluth worked for Disney before.
is Oliver and Company.
Yes, Oliver and
It
Company.
is a Disney movie.
And it's
Produced by
honestly.
Walt Disney, released by Walt Disney Pictures.
I understand that Don Bluth worked for Disney.
Oh my fucking god.
Ooh, I did it. You should still probably run though, kiddo. I did. Oh, god damn it.
Did you die?
Yep.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah, get off your
I
damn
missed
phone.
your death.
I'm just-
I don't have to
I'm
do that
checking.
again, do
Get
I?
off your phone. It's not a Don Bluth movie.
It's not a done. I don't. It might. He might have worked
He did
on
oh,
it.
I didn't know he did the
How do I get down here?
Robin Hood.
Focus.
Yeah, Robin Hood does kind of look like a Don Bluth movie.
I mean, he didn't do it. He worked on it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, he animated.
Interesting.
Good boy.
You can't do this on Let's Plays.
You can. You can look up things.
Yeah, we're allowed.
I
We
just
can look
did.
up things.
You'll disappear
I'm the
for
one with
20
the.
minutes.
I'm the one with the paddle. I don't mind. Blech. Oh.
He got you.
I didn't even. I wasn't even paying attention.
Timmy got you.
I wasn't even paying
Good
attention.
job, Timmy. You
Yeah,
get a raise.
Tim. Tim.
20 cents more
Well, what
an
do
hour.
I guess I gotta wait. God, I was not even paying attention. that
I'm
last
so
time.
excited. This is I love this section of the game. This is my
Should I go?
favorite.
Should I go?
Should I stay or should I go? I'm not telling you anything. My lips are sealed. No more hints. Get in the submarine.
I'm fucking out of here.
Oh man. Alright.
Alright. Do I have little handles that I can use? I guess not. Oh. I thought it was a door. My bad. Hello?
You're stuck now.
Am I? Oh. Oh. Am I stuck?
No, you're not stuck. You won't get stuck in this game. It's a puzzle.
Everything's a fucking puzzle! Well, I'm in my scrub Oh. Ooh,
You got that little
spooky.
charge up.
Yeah.
What's the phobia called where you're afraid of like machinery underwater? I don't remember what it's called. There's a word for that.
Very specific.
That
It's
is
a-
very
It's
specific.
a super specific phobia. That's what Jesse has.
I know some people have a fear of just being in the deep sea in general.
Yeah. I kind of don't like swimming with like once you go out of like a bay or something. I'm like I don't want to be out here.
It's lakes for me. I can't swim in
I don't
lakes.
mind lakes. I mean, they're
Well, lakes have leeches in them.
Yeah,
Well, you know.
I'm not into that.
Not a
I'm
fan of
also not
leeches.
into like murky water.
Yeah. Oh, I don't trust murky water. Nope.
This-
Nope.
This is. I'm pretty sure that this.
I'm from the land of water so clear you can see to the bottom at any given point, and if it
Florida?
gets murky, I get the heck out of there.
I can't. I'm too scared of like a fish or a leech is gonna like bite me.
I don't like the dark. I just don't like not being able to see. I think that it's definitely related to being scared of the dark.
Huh? Is that as far as I can go? Yes. No, maybe so. Hello? Do I need something down there?
Oh, Franny, guess what?
What?
It's a puzzle.
Timber me shivers. Oh wait, I should probably. Good boy. This is nice.
Casual swim.
Just going for a paddle. It's the dip.
Also, this kid is ridiculously in shape.
Yeah, really.
I mean, this is like triathlon level at this point.
Color me jealous. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. And be funny if I came out of there and they were just dogs. Found you, motherfucker.
It's just like they're waiting up here.
Ah! I didn't mean it.
Good reaction time. That's pretty amazing.
Ah! Fuck you.
I'm freaking impressed. That was
I mean,
ninja-esque
got those reflexes.
there.
You think this kid's in shape? I've got the reflexes. I'm in shape.
Those
No, I'm not.
thumbs.
My
Those
thumbs are
thumbs can-
so in shape.
Woo!
The buffest thumbs.
No, I wouldn't fight you. I would lose.
Nobody's gonna fight these thumbs. What's up here? Am I outside again? No, I'm not. I'm in a decrepit old poopy house. Hi. Can you do anything? That's a very specific thing that you do.
Somebody put this here for a reason. But I don't know what it is.
Other than just to reach this one specific platform.
They gotta get around somehow, right?
True.
Really?
A
Stairs don't
a whole
suffice?
civilization of people that get around on little boxes that puff up into the air.
I was hitting the wrong button. That's why I wasn't jumping.
Sounds like a safety hazard.
What?
Using little boxes that push in the air to get around.
Nah. Look, he's safe. Look at him. He's in great shape. And he used the box. He's
So
fine.
Grandpa Joe has to use it.
Well, that's how they
He's
call
not
the
here,
herd.
is he?
that's the way they keep the
I think Wally
keep the
got
populace
That's how they
trim.
get ya.
Wally
That's how
got
they
Grandpa
get ya.
Joe. Phew.
I really want to watch Oliver and Company now.
I love that movie.
It's so good. Bill, it's
Okay, I
all
gotta
Billy
get down to
Joel.
them. Oh, I forgot he was in that movie.
He does all the music.
Why should I
That's
worry?
why it's so good.
Why should I care? And that's all I know. Do I have to jump to that?
You can make
Oh, wait, that's water.
That one
Yeah,
song
you can.
I'm good.
with the poodle
Pew.
all the time.
Oh, I love her song. I can't remember the words, but man, do I love it.
I'm not gonna sing
Uh,
it right
Is it? No, please do.
now. No.
I know it has something to do with like. Oh, what was that? That looked like a spook to me. Is there shit in the water too? I swear to God.
This is the Jaws ride.
I was watching YouTube videos of the Jaws ride this morning.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, topical.
Sometimes I just miss the Jaws ride. I mean,
Oh, why did I do that?
it was worth
The thing
It was
can't even get in
working
here.
for Harry Potter,
No, I can't.
but
You just have to do the. You have to do the thing.
Isn't the poodle song in Oliver and Company like perfect's
Ooh,
not
yeah.
easy but it's me or something like it's
Yes.
a me. Get back. I'm so sick of your shit, little kid. Get back in there. Bam, 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 bam. Hello, let me in. Hello.
It's so satisfying to blast through
Wah.
this shit.
I also like that the poodle is in love with the chihuahua in that movie.
oh,
It's
don't
cute.
I forgot
remember
about that entirely.
I don't remember the details very well. I remember the music. And
It's a really good
the
movie.
dog eating hot dogs.
Yeah.
A lot of hot dogs.
Yeah.
Also, cartoon hot dogs always are like attached in links
Is this a
still
thing I need to sit on?
after they're cooked, which is pretty amazing.
It's always is that a New York thing?
Maybe it is.
I mean I don't know, I've never been.
Really?
I don't want to talk about it.
You want to talk about it?
No.
Huh, how do I get over there?
It's puzzle time.
No puzzle time. No puzzles.
That guy probably really needed a bath too.
Yeah.
This is
I'm helping him out.
really good for him.
Do I need to get back in the sub?
He just swims off of it.
Yeah.
He
Bye,
just leaves
bitch. I don't think I can jump up to that. And oh my god.
Waterman.
Oh, right. Wait, how do I do the thing? Oh.
Where did your sub go?
He just lost it.
Matt stepped in front of the screen and I couldn't see what happened and I looked up and everything's gone.
How do I do the charge up thing again?
I think X, right? When you're underwater. I don't think he can do it. He's not smart enough.
No, but I feel like that's what I need to do.
Well, but if he does it, he'll be inside the thing.
Yeah,
He get
but
his little noggin in the other bucket.
maybe? And then I get in the sub? Guys, if I'm fucking up, tell me right now.
Well, this is good.
I was just gonna say nothing.
But I don't want to lose my guy.
He's a good balancer.
Shockingly.
In GTA, you'd be all over the road. Oh.
No, X just gets me out of it. I want to do the charge thing.
Yeah, I think you have to be underwater to do
I just
it.
don't want to lose him. I can't lose him.
Do it.
Oh! These puzzles, dude.
They're ridiculous. It looks like
Yeah.
they had a whole tram, like a whole like cart tram system around back here. And like, what the fuck happened? Water damage.
Can I... How do I grab this?
X?
It's not letting me grab it.
Hold it? No?
You have to hold it and pull it, right?
Oh, there we go. Did I do all that just to get an achievement?
Friends in low places. Yes, you did.
Well,
The
I just want to
achievement
get
hunter.
out of here. I just want to move forward. And I just did that for a disco ball. Fuck this. I'm out of here. I'm good. I'm leaving. Got my damn disco ball. I'm out of here, dude.
Get some achievements on my Steam account.
Ignorant question.
I'll never.
Why
catch
does
up
that
now.
matter?
It doesn't.
Yeah, that's right.
Allie will
Sounds
disagree.
satisfying.
No, it isn't.
I mean, we say it doesn't matter,
Bow.
but we're also losing to Allie. So, you know.
All right, back at square one. What do I need to do in this area? Blay.
I don't remember.
I feel like I need to go through there.
Oh, wait, you're
wait.
just going through, yeah.
Oh,
It just nudges open.
I kind of just assumed it wouldn't. Do I gotta swim underwater? I feel like I should probably get this to a safe place. Wherever that might be. Let's look around though.
So, you gotta go through that door. My memory is completely shot on these. I don't have
Great, well then you can help solve puzzles.
Yeah, okay, so.
Well, I'm assuming I need to press that button, but I need to get out. But
Yeah, so you have to be out to press the button.
Alright, well, I'm assuming I can just get out anywhere. Ooh. Meow.
And I assume if this button is anything like the other buttons, it's gonna do something with the water. Okay. So we lowered the water. That's good.
First
A
step.
lot. Holy crap.
Okay.
We really lowered the water.
I liked your first plan.
My first plan? What was my first plan?
I don't
Put it in a safe place.
know. Oh. I see.
Well, can't I just... Oh. Yeah.
I
Dang
see.
it.
Okay.
God damn it. Leisurely swim, a leisurely swim. Gonna put my submarine over there. Get back in the submarine, go fuck around.
That is a lot of
There's a
water
lot of water.
that they're pumping in and out of this room.
Very, very quickly.
Yeah, that's what I keep thinking. This is quite an operation they've got running here. That light is on, like,
Can I leave it underwater?
plausibly? I don't see why not.
No,
Can
I
you
can't.
swim that
Duh,
far?
I can't get out. I'm dumb.
You can't get out?
Not underwater, you can't.
Oh, right. Water pressure is a thing.
Derp. Also, even if I did open the door, all the water would get into the submarine. Jeez.
Yeah. That'd be bad.
Gonna press that button, gonna lower the water, gonna go through that door, gonna get in my sub, gonna keep playing this game. Oh, whoops. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Too busy singing my song. I wasn't even paying attention.
Look at that.
Yay. Whoa. Oh.
And
Boop.
boom. This is probably a good time to
Whoop. That looks like a
part
looks like
4
a
door.
that does look like a part 4
That's a
door.
4-door.
That is a bit. Well, we'll tell. Where's the? You know what? Yep. I'm just gonna do. Oh, there it is. I'm just gonna deal with that 4-door next time.
All right.